Hey, is that recording? Yes, it a tape. Ever bless your warrior. Ever blessed travelers. Welcome to another video. And today, guys, we are at St. Ann Polo Club. My people, we're visiting the Arse again, where today, my people, is another polo match, and Everbless is here representing. Everbless will be showing you bits and pieces of how the arses function on the field. They'll be hitting balls. It's a game, and Everbless is gonna be asking of you to journey with me to the game. This is I'm a people that here, and the match has begun, and Everbless will be taking you there. So you can see arses way out there, my people. And is this area well developed? Nice games, nice place. So Everbless is showing you beautiful things and places. This is Everbless at his best. Everbless, no stress. Yeah, man, I'm gonna be asking a few other people to journey with me as I go. And you also have the game, the pony jumping game. They are rehearsing for a match, and that match will be coming up shortly. And the coach for the kids has asked Everbless to cover the event. Some people stay tuned for that. We're not just showcasing polo where they hit the ball. Everbless will be showing the games where the horses jump over things. I'm gonna give you a little demonstration as to how they operate. Ibex, that's a call center there. I was wondering if this is the front gate or the back gate. But you see how they developed this here, my people, see? Ibex. Yeah, man. Huge building. And Everbless is patrolling this place. And as you know, Everbless' intention is to show you beautiful things and places. And the arses are there. So this is the jumping. I'm not sure if I call it what they call it. It's correct. But I know it's the pony jumping game. That's the name? Alright. Everbless is gonna get the correct name and show you. So watch this horse come in action now, people. As I said before, this is not a competition, this is a rehearsal. And the RC are rehearsing to go into action. See one jump there, another one there. Let's go. Very nice. The quote says very nice. Yes. Up close and personal. And I can notice that the horses, they are running on sun. Some of people see they are running on sun here. Yeah, man. So Akinju, and they are rehearsing as I said before. So they are not yet perfect on the games. So I'll just be showing you a little bit of it. Alright, I'm gonna get closer to the trainer so that you guys can hear our coaching skills.
Hold the outside rein, hold the right left rein. Good, that's better.
Listen for the training instruction of people. Training instruction given there.
Good. You're okay. Wait.
So my people, if you notice way over, you can see the horses running on the track there. That means they are rehearsing. That is it. Way over is the natural field. And on this spot right here, they are rehearsing. So all these horses here are rehearsing. Bless Travels. Yeah, man. And you too. I watch the rehearsal, you know. Really come to take in the polo game, but after taking a little piece of the training, you know.
Yeah, man. Good too, man.
Yeah, man.
So like this one that more of your different one the polo regular.
Yeah. I first have seen this one. I'm gonna get some of those action, but those horse over there is moving real fast. They move much faster than the female one.
Yeah, man.
I have to go get some of that.
Yeah, man. Over there, we go get the cord.
Yes, I'm going. That game is gonna be long. I just want to see somebody jump in here. Hi, how you doing today? Hi. Nice. Down people. Nice. That's the road of the coach and people listen to the coach. Hi, you want to see yourself on YouTube?
Well, not like this really.
Okay. I just saw you jump though. I was recording you when you were jumping. Yes.
If it looks nice, you can put it on the spot.
Yeah, you check out Everbest Travels and you see that. Okay? Some of people, the coach continue to demonstrate to her student how to get it right. So when they come on to match time, they don't play. And my people see, Polo is in the distance here. Just give me a bit, I'll be going there to show you exactly how it is done. So my people, stay tuned because more of this will be coming. Everbest Travels into Alright, good. Right. So we're walking through this beautiful place here. So he's circling again for the drum. Circling again for the drum. No, not this time. Circling for the drum. Wait for it. It is coming. Alright. Here you go. Way! That is it. Yeah, that is it again. No, you missed that one over there. Yo, that is it, my people. That is a jumping game. And Everbest is taking you to the polo game. Yeah, man. That is it, my people. Walking through. And this is St. Anne. And this is how they see how they ask them line up all over. So your team are going so far? So how much game, how much?
One more chapter and then the game start.
How way you say? How many you say what the game you look? When you don't know, you just don't know.
Yeah,
you see it. So Kevin will play?
No. He talks to me. Yeah, play against Kevin.
Okay.
On my side win.
That a red team?
She opened it.
Okay. Because when me don't notice female and male they mix up. So that you call chaka? No. When male and female mix up?
No chaka like this. Then you're going to see one go pass and one.
Yeah, and you're going to see the board. You're going to see scoreboard.
Okay.
Yeah, you're going to see one man in the back I feel a flag.
Okay.
One man down the side.
Okay.
So you know when they score. So
okay.
Which one you don't see it?
Yeah, it's a learning process. Yeah.
Mahogany and then Roadrunner.
Yeah.
Pumpkin third.
Last chocolate.
Yeah.
So I'll be taking a walk through and show you my people some of the things that I am seeing. Alright, them call the first game the Chaka. Yeah, man. So everybody are gear up. This game the game before this one
Shanty there on it.
had more
Yeah.
female to it. Yeah man, so I think come down. I'll get some water out of it. Yes. So I was traveling at this coming to my people, that one. So let's walk through for you my people. And I'll show you them shower the ass. Then wet them up. Ask them love to get them shower my people. It seems. So them wet them up. Alright, without soap, no soap. And this truck is the one that take us here.
Yo, Kerem, did you get the Jack Nose band?
Yes.
Kerem there.
But it can't too much still. So real action are going on now.
Like a traffic match.
Cha, you know.
Kerem go post. Because we can tell you about me, I say you must figure out that. I see we are met them now.
I don't know if you learn that one.
Yeah.
You're good.
Yo, did you get here a Jack
So
Nose
I'm going with
band?
the rum. So I'm going for your rum. Active?
Kerem, Pops,
Enough
you
to
need
drink
to
no
put on the Jack
No,
Nose band?
no more money. I resting now,
Oh,
can't have a groom from my boss, so I can't.
Oh, you mean? So if you know, me hear when the princess tell say nah sell no more. She not sell no more, or you not buy no more.
I should not want to give
Them
no
no
more.
and tell them
I should know me if I go on mad for my wedding
in
today.
name protective of the client.
She know me if I go on wicked for
In name she is protecting the client.
Yeah.
So me go around that commentary because I want to catch a one lively, you know. I want to go on something nice to watch, you know. Alright.
There you go.
Nobody run for you up on a long time. So you are running a little late. She turn around. But me that record that when she did this up. Our beauty, she know wants to come camera right now. Watch it. Alright, we are doing it.
White helmet, we have Jonathan Dougal, and the yellow helmet, we have Thornton.
Now go near to the commentary. Alright. I know if a team come out well sort out. No joke. Nobody keep me, and pass you. Alright. The people, the real match are going now. So I go near to the commentary, my people, where you can get a good feedback as to how the thing set up. Ever bless. I represent.
In the ICW team in white, in the black helmet with the red brim, we have Barbara. So we have 3 women on the team this afternoon. In the red helmet, we have Frankie Hart, one of our young players. In the grey helmet, dark grey helmet, we have Lucy Clark, one of our young upcoming players. He's the highest handicap player on the field. He's 3 goals. Beside him in the blue and white helmet is Paul, one of the older players here, very experienced. And we're just waiting on the umpires. Today's umpires is Richest and Cameron Wade.
At the end of the game. I want to see.
I'd like to ask the teams to line up. We will do a minute of silence as we have some of our members that have passed, and we'd like to remember them and honor them this afternoon.
I go by the Ever Blessed Travelers on YouTube. Can check that out.
For sale after tasting. Alright, we have the players here this afternoon. I would like to honor 2 of our members that have passed this year. Well, no, not this year, last year, late last year. Roy DeLissa, who was a family from the very beginning of Polo, the foundation of Jamaican Polo. His brother Willie DeLissa founded the Polo Club, where I started playing along with John Biles and many of other players, and also an ex-president, a past president of St. Anne's Polo Club. That has passed, Mr. Johnny McFarlane. Sorry. So So can we have a minute silence for them, please? So may they rest in peace, and our condolences to their family and their friends. Alright, so let's start this afternoon, starting with the team. Fabiana Bowers in the black helmet, number 1. Susan Wales in pink helmet, number 2. Kurt Chin, yellow helmet. And Jonathan Buell at the back. For the ICW, Barbara. Big match here this afternoon. They won the semi on Thursday. Frankie Hard, one of our young players, came up through the Chinook Farm. We have Paul Layler, the anchor and the patron of this team on this pretty grey horse from Denver, and Lukey Clark. Number is a handicap 3, so he's the highest handicap player on the field this afternoon. Our umpire today in the blue helmet is Rachel Turner, and the grey helmet is Cameron Waits. Alright. For those who are new to polo this afternoon, the field is 300 yards long by 150 yards wide. The goals are 8 yards apart, and the object of the game is to put that ball through those uprights. The ball is made of plastic. The mallets are around 52 to 53 inches long, and they hit it with the side. The game, what's most confusing is that every time a team scores, they change goals. So the yellow team will be going down to Miami Bay. If they score, they will switch and go towards St. Anne's. That is to give each team the advantage or disadvantage of the run of the field, the sun in their eyes, and the direction of the breeze. It's a game of lines, so there are fouls. Anything that's deemed dangerous will be blown by the umpires, and according to where the foul is done, the foul will be awarded. We have a 30-yard, 40-yard, 60-yard penalty, and a 5B from the center. You are allowed to bump or check each other, so this is like hockey on horseback. Alright, the ball's in play. Let's see who comes out first. Kurt Chin is hooked there by Paul Layler. Jonathan Dougal opens that ball. There's Frankie on the offside, on the near side. He's been ridden hard there by Fabiana. Ball's overridden. Here comes Luke. He left there. Luke has that ball. He sends that up to Wormburner. Who is there? It's Jonathan Dougal in defense. Let's see what he does with that. He goes for the tail, but Paul Liller is there first. Paul opens back towards the goal. There's Kurt Chin, Jonathan Dougal. The ball is cleared. Here comes Kurt Chin. He's hooked on the play. Here's Paul Liller. Goes for the under the neck to carry the ball around the long way towards the goal. As he goes towards the board, he's being followed there by Kurt. Kurt rides him off. Gets hold of the ball. Nope, that's Lukey. Turns on that ball. Pushes it forward. He's been ridden there by Susan. Lukey shoots towards goal. It's going, and it's through for the goal. So after they score, they'll come back to the center line for throwing. So remember, the white team was going up towards St. Anne's. Now they'll be going towards Miami Bay. All right, ball's in play. Comes out Susan, wastes his stick. She goes for the ball in the defense. There's Kurt Chin to pick that up. He's on hook tag. He's been ridden there by Lukey Clark. Kurt gets past him. He's hooked there on the near side. Lukey tries to stop. He turns. Alright, here's the ball coming down on this pretty grey horse. Ball is Lukey is hooked. Complaining. Here's Fabiana. Frankie Hart turns on that ball, and there's a whistle on the play. Alright, so this is going to be a 60-yard penalty. I think what happened a while ago, the player in white, he spun around on the line of the ball, and so interference. Alright, card shoots towards goal and it's wide. Alright, the ball is going to be brought in from the back line. Lucy Clark sends a worm ball up there. There's Jonathan Dougal to defend. Jonathan backs that ball nicely. Oh, he comes off a horse. Who's there? Jonathan turns back on his line. He shoots towards goal. He's been ridden there by Frankie by Paul Layler. Shoots towards, no, it's cleared out. Who's there first? That's Fabiana Biles. Lucky Clark picks up from her. Lucky goes towards the side. Sorry, I can't see it on that side. Alright, Lucy sends one up to Jonathan Dougal. Jonathan tries to clear that. Oh, blue ball. Here, Jonathan. Nice open shot. Who's there first? Oh, he comes off. Lucy's first. Lucy sends one up to the line. To find Paul Layler. Oh, no. Paul Layler. There's Susan running interference. Fabiana. Frankie being ridden higher by Fabiana. There's Lucy running through. Lucy.
My stuff is already down there. Like all of my toilet, like all of the stuff, like boxes of it, they're all just sitting there. And then we bought.
You're going around and around like a snake, or the ICW has scored again. So the players have gone for a horse change. That's allowed in the game. Safety for the horses is first. These animals in Polo gain 80% the horse, 20% the rider. These horses are athletes. If they don't like the game, they're not playing. To be at the best, they have to love the game. These horses will actually signal the play before the player and turn. The better ones will turn before the play is done in anticipation for the next play. It's like a tennis player or a golf player. If he doesn't like golf, he won't be a good golfer. If he doesn't like tennis, he won't be a good tennis player. It's the same with the horses that play here in Polo. If they don't like Polo, they won't be good Polo players. These horses are of different breeding. They have mostly thoroughbreds on the racetrack, and some of these also are mixed with Arab and the American quarter horse. Please feel free to come and sample these lovely beers. You might be surprised. Alright, teams are lined up. Balls in play. Let's see who's going to come out of this. Jonathan Dougal, hooked there by Frankie Hart. Frankie, such a good player. He is always anticipating. So that we'll see on the play. shot. Rookie from the one there. Up the field, trying to find one of the guys who got the right players. Here's there, Frankie High, Jonathan Hill. Frankie picks that up. Oh, shoots the right goal, looking quite good. Here's Jonathan Douglas, trying to turn that Paddy. Trying to turn that being in there by Paul Lever. Paul, there's that ball. Looks it there by himself again. Shoots towards the goal and it's wide.
Boy, a broke loop stick. Nobody makes Susan brainwash him out there, you know. Oh. I want that. I will still ever call. Watch you now. You know who that? You know who that? Come out away, Paul. The man, they broke your stick. Come out away, Paul. One second. 1 second. I done that out there. I done that out there. Watch ya. Watch ya. Nobody now back up.
That's a foul, guys.
I'm going to put
Come on!
Ball over right, so pick it from there.
nice. Do that. Pan them. They no pick like that. Who came? Rough him up. Who came? Who came? Make him go sit down. Go sit down. You're under pressure now, boy. You do it. You do it. Nice. Nice.
Yeah. Time! Closer to him.
Nice. Nice. Nice.
Let's go!
Nice. Guys, yeah, man. Well done.
Hands up, class. Hands up, class.
Gonna see you here then.
They warm up, you know, that's a bad
when me get do the grass stop and jump right yes above so.
I know them in front. You're correct there. I come up the line and look across and back. Score that one. Score that one. You play first shot at car.
Can the score guy please change the shot from 1 to 2? Shot was wide. And Jonathan Taylor trying to keep it in, but it's over back down at
Kevin, I'm excited to do that after, yeah? Okay, sorry.
Alright, good shot. Bringing it back on. That's the lead.
You have one. Luke, you win.
Aye, check, 30. Go. Bacán.
Yeah, turn.
We are Kim up now.
Turn this slow. Tell them that's the turn. Right leg.
One more.
Bring it to your way.
One more.
Bring it to your way.
Yeah, job. Time!
And that's the game, ladies and gentlemen. The ICII team is the winner of the 2025 Keeling Cup. It's an amazing game this afternoon, very open, very running game. Please stick around for the presentation. Next week we have an international team here from the USA. Please come out and support. We have dinner and after party on Saturday. Congratulations to ICII.
Delirium.
Put your hands for these two teams, ladies and gentlemen.
He's celebrating victory.
All the way down.
The Sierra here is very pretty. Very pretty. This was the sponsor for the beer.
Penalties for getting other people.
They're removing out the trophy for presentation. That is it. I carry home the trophy tonight, you know? Oh. This is it. Nice. Nice games.
Talking to you about pictures.
Hi, how was the game? You enjoy the game? On my YouTube, I go by the name Everblessed Travels. Everblessed Travels on YouTube. Have a nice time at the game.
Yes, we enjoyed it. It's our first time and we really enjoyed it.
Okay.
We'll be coming back next week when the US team on it.
It's good. It's good to know that. Check out Everblessed Travels and you see the full recording of the games. Everblessed Travels.
Check out where?
Everblessed Travels on YouTube.
Instagram.
Everblessed Family Travels on YouTube.
Everblessed.
Everblessed Travels, YouTube. Appreciate you. Appreciate it.
Say Ever E-E-E-R.
Yes.
Everblessed.
Travels.
L-E-S Travels.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you take a picture? No, he's doing a video.
We do. It's check out YouTube. You see that. You see all that I've shown here. Appreciate you. Cool. Some people. This is how we come down. Did you enjoy the game? All right. You mind being on YouTube? You mind being on YouTube? Okay, cool. All right, cool. You mean being on YouTube? You mind being on YouTube? You don't? Okay. Everblessed Travels. It's the first time.
First time.
In Jamaica?
No.
First time at the Polo game. All right, nice.
It's my wife in the game here.
Oh yeah.
First time.
Nice. I enjoyed. Second. Nice. Check out Everblessed Travels for the full recording.
Thank you. I'll be back. We'll be back.
Nice to have you here.
All right. What's the website?
Everblessed Travels. Everblessed Travels on YouTube. Everblessed Travels on YouTube. Yeah. And I travel all over. All right, cool. Hey, Jamaican people. Did you enjoy the game? We did. You mind being on YouTube? Everblessed Travels. I go by the name Everblessed Travels.
What?
Everblessed Travels on YouTube.
Everblessed Travel?
Yeah.
Ah.
You check that out and you see the full recordings. Nice. You're blowing up my camera.
Huh?
You're blowing up my camera.
Yeah?
Yes, you do.
Thank you.
All right, cool.
Shake, shake.
Nice to have you. Nice to have you on the games.
Yeah.
All right.
We're happy to be here.
Please check out Everblessed Travels.
Okay.
I used to do full recordings. Big up yourself, Princess. That is it. That is it. My meet and greet. Alright. So we're walking through. And you guys see Everblessed sample the beers. Please check out the beers that you see featured on the channel today. And this princess here. Let me show you. Just stay steady. That is the promotion of people, and it is not paid for. It's just recording for fun. Enjoy yourself, princess. All right, cool. Change of horses, my people. Climb out. Now they're changing horses to go back.
That's why 60, 70, 80 yards, you know? I fear.
In about I face.
You guys are in the right place. I did a couple of That's alright. Next week. I don't think
Yeah, man, and I'm taking your side and I'm going forward, man.
Now waiting. Ready? I turn in there.
Kevin in action.
We need twilight here. So make it really fast.
What is that?
A room. Take a sip. Yes, you can't see the Marley come on.
No more.
Why am I that one? I'm in a halfway. Kevin, when I say Kevin, when I say about young man,
Sure, man.
This horse is ready to go. Go number one. Go get them. I don't want to wet. Wet. Say wet so. You know? Sampling.
My pleasure.
Sampling.
Okay.
Okay.
And then if there's one that you like, you can take
So pronounce the name out for me.
So I guess, yeah. So we'll just keep on serving until we have the last ones finished up. So we'll pour half of them generally.
This is the beer regular, beer white, delirium, and mango.
Beer regular.
Please remember that we have English tea inside the clubhouse, sandwiches and
You don't have the plastic. Let me have the plastic. Let me have the plastic cup. Oh, a samples. A sample first. I'm not a drinker.
Okay, no problem.
Alright,
You want to sample the rest?
Okay. My people is regular beer.
And how was that one?
Tastes like regular beer.
Alright, so I'm gonna give you a sample of each.
Yeah, this one is fine.
So this is the mango.
I make sure that I don't get drunk before. So that's why I choose to use these small
You
ones.
said number one.
No, you can't use this. You can't use this one.
I think this is me, right?
Yeah. So this is the mango flavor.
Mango flavor in beer. Take the time. I'm gonna taste again. Wow. People, the mango is impressive. Yeah, I taste again. Yeah, mango is impressive. So, you know, so if I'm coming here, I try to pronounce the name of them something. Yes.
So this is beer white.
This is beer white. Some people.
Yeah, we're just doing.
I've been doing some samples
Yeah,
there.
pick that up.
It's about to
Jonathan Google brings it around.
So they have different types.
Here's Susan.
Beer and then
Jonathan Google having a game
beer.
this afternoon. He's
Beer with
on
me
fire.
people with beer.
Trying to find his
And
church.
this is the mango.
Frankie Hart.
I have already tried the regular.
Jonathan still has that ball going through.
That's the beer white.
This is the
Frankie
beer.
Hart tries to clear it. Oh, nice pop-up. Proves their first turns on that. That's Kurt. Goes for the backhand. Who's there?
The mango.
That's Luke.
Yes.
The mango definitely the beer
Being
one.
hard there by Jonathan.
People.
Pins it down on his near
We have
side,
somebody
coming
second
around.
motion saying that
Luke is a master with the stick work.
Mango one by far.
He picks it, goes forward, fires a ball, and it's going to be a horse race now.
Let me try that
Trying
one.
all of them.
Make sure I don't get drunk.
No, I say.
I showed you.
So you
Here's that. Who's there first? It's Frankie
It's gonna
Hart.
be on YouTube. Ever Blessed Travels.
Clear there by Luke to the side, doesn't quite get the thing. Here he is. Shoots one up, comes off a horse, and there's a whistle on the
After
plate.
drinking these beers.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Alright, so this is delirium.
This is the delirium.
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 Yes.
The people. Them are giving with some
Delirium.
Delirium. So you're tasting the same thing I'm tasting?
Yeah.
Well, look, cheers. Okay. Alright, we're gonna taste. Oh,
Bit more beer.
the mango still have it.
This mango still has it, but this is like a bit more of a beery taste, like the bitterness.
Yes.
It's got more of the bitterness.
Oh, nice.
Looks like it's for the ICII team.
This is more like beer.
Yes. So many people. Behind, in the background,
It's not bad though.
in the background, is the persons that does the creation for these. Check them out.
BAM Beverages.
Check them out. So
If you're not sure, the name is with you right here.
So you give us a feedback as to how you feel about all the beers that I've tasted. I've given you my take to say that the mango what?
Alright, my opinion.
And
This
mine.
is my favorite.
The mango.
This is nice.
Yes.
It gives
A bit more of a beery taste. Like it's got more of the bitterness.
gives me a champagne.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, more champagne.
Yes.
Yeah, that's actually.
These
Yes.
are my favorite.
Yes.
I'm not a beer drinker.
Okay, so I want to try that one next. That's the last one.
Yes.
Not so
Yeah.
much for me.
That's the last one we haven't tried. This was that
I'm not
white
a beer
one.
drinker.
Yes.
So,
So you haven't tried this?
I
No, we
prefer
haven't tried
I prefer the mango one.
have you tried this one yet?
No, I'm not trying anymore.
No?
I'm not a drinker,
I'm not a drinker either.
and I want to make sure that I find my way.
Okay, well, I'll let you know which one.
Yeah, right.
And follow the Instagram page at
Yeah.
BAM Beverages.
Alright, Loki, the 60 yards. What a lofty ball in there. And
Blessed Travels. Leave a comment and I'll follow.
can't decide whether it's in or out. No, it's
That's
wide.
actually nice. I think you should try this. This is nice.
No,
But
as I
he's
said
not a
before, I am not a
so-
drinker and I want to make sure that I find my way home. I don't want to pass my gate
This is
by drinking all these beers because I can feel.
Here, Jonathan Douglas coming up the field. Flat out. He's been reunited there by Paul Ellis.
After the full event of these houses, my people, they bring them to this area and they wash them off. Just like when they just arrive, they wash them off. So they wet my people. That is what they do. Come on, so spraying water on him, wet him up, so they wash them off. Wash them off like that. That is it, my people. The princess I love her. Nevertheless is walking through again. The presentation after the games, the presentation is here. And Nevertheless will be showing you some of the presentation as to how the thing goes.
Okay, everybody, could we have the players up, please?
Oh, you man. Going for a presentation. See how the thing come down. So the thing come down, my people. That is it, you know. Which of them is the mango?
Oh, we don't have any more mango.
Okay. Thank you.
The bottles than the can.
Thank you so much.
What have we got?
So, I've gotten
Baby girl? Baby girl?
another beer.
Drinking your beer. Is he holding you up? You're holding him up.
So, I'll be delaying just a bit for the presentation. Back up there. Don't want to be where that's
Okay, can we get all the players up, please? So we can make the presentation.
Oh, your main princess, that is
We
it.
can get both finalists, please. The Google team and the ICWI team, please.
So everyone is mingling around this place. Umpire there, rider there. That is it. Puppy. He's saying, I'm hungry. That is it, the games.
Wait, what's her name? Cameron Diaz. Well, we're not. I know, but they keep flying to their door with their kids.
Alright, so can I get both teams, please? Both finalists, winners, and today losers, but winners.
This one I was here. Oh, what Richest Lucy? What's she doing?
Australia St. Anne Polo office. It's upstairs. Don't know where the show up there. Just to show you as much as possible.
Okay, guys.
There's an exit there.
We do have some
Really nice.
JPA prizes from, but we have some good stuff here.
Really
So if I
nice.
can get the teams lined up, line up right here, and my sunset in the background.
So this is the Polo Club bar here, my people. Nice place. Definitely will be back to show you some more, my people. This is the outskirt of the venue. Show you the outer part. It's a plane here or there. It's a play field. There's a new development there. I don't know if it is housing or hotel or what, but this place is nice. No joke. Boom family and friends. Big up yourself, Boom family and friends. Fall Wildlife Adventure. Adventures in the Tropics. Dream Island TV. AI Roots and Remedies. Can Jam Cooks. Cameron Family. Color Summit TV. Miss Little Hot Kitchen. Jimmy Summit TV. J Bud the Baker. In a one go, Everbless cover about 7 of them. And we not stop showcase with family and with friends them. King Swicked, big up yourself. Vibes 39. We keep on spreading the love, my G. Appreciate. Yeah, man. Jamaica vibes, adventure. Yeah, man.
One candy cane.
I know you're not going to continue on.
All right. So before we give away the Keeling Cup, I'd just like to bring forward these mobiles, the second best playing pony in 2 matches for the year.
Just sort of sitting in this.
I think it's more like when it's independent.
And by the way, just dodge the back legs, anybody that understands horses. Come here in front of the crowd.
Because I was just sort of but then when I went to university and you were sort of on your own, like I did great because it's not forced in any way.
Activity, not like just taking them and writing them down. So
Experiential. Applied mathematics was my favorite class because it was actually
Congratulations, the second match and who's best playing Tony in both. And before we move on to the cup, most valuable player, Jonathan Dougal. All right, congratulations. And now, I'm going to ask the captain to come forward for the ICWI team for the Keeling Cup. Patron!
What happened to your brother's name?
last week I was here.
50%?
Luckily not
Congratulations, well done. Leslie, put that up safe.
Alright, so I'd just like to say with no more ado, it's been repeated many times, the Keeling Cup was honored in honor of Sir Arlington Keeling, who is the JPA president for approximately 20 years. This trophy was first presented in 1936. A very historic trophy, and it kicks off the JPA season just about every year for the last 20-30 years. So congratulations ICWI, the JPA tournament is officially underway. I'll see you in the clubhouse, and let's drink some of these. There's all sorts of fancy things in there. I like the blonde. The blonde one that's very dangerous. See you in the clubhouse.
I like that one.
Take a picture of her. For my sister, Faith.
Oh God, yes.
Always remembers you.
Yes. It's been a long
Like this. No, it's another one of the markers that I'm playing in the
Congratulations.
Thank you, my friend.
ICWI.
How you doing, man? Good to see you again. All
yes.
right?
I enjoy covering because I noticed there wasn't much coverage. So here I am today again.
Thank you. Well done.
Every best travels.
Yeah, man, I know.
Yeah, man.
All the best. Yeah,
Look at yourself, winning today.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, man. See you. Winning team of people. ICWI. The winning team. Take home your beers. Every best travels. Big up. Some people. I saw a team come down. I'm Miss Leslie. I'll be in Camanas to cover a polo game. Polo jump. Alright. And the red team saying they're winning today again.
Yeah,
you win today?
No one lose and they must send one back at town.
Like that, I say. So we're going to have to go back to the drawing board and come again.
Yeah, go back to the drawing board
and make certain that when we come back at the next one, I straight whip it.
Then take it trophy there.
You see? I want to do it.
We are come back for it, man. Yeah, man.
Oh, I want to do it.
Yeah, man.
It's not too bad then, man.
Yeah, we are come back.
So that means I want to know how it tastes. Yeah. Alright. So I think come down.
John.
Hi people. The horses are back in the truck in which they came. After a long day of activities on the field of polo, Everblessed is saying, I appreciate you for your journey. Appreciate you for your support, my people. As this video will come to an end, Everblessed is saying so long. And I will see you at the next polo game. And what is under Everblessed knows? Mouth.